Granny and Grandpa. I miss you very much. Hope to see you soon. Love, Peppa. P.S. Our garden is very messy without your help. Yay!
Come on, Peppa and George. Now we have to take our letters to the post box.
Now all we have to do is wait. Right, Daddy?
That's right, Peppa. I'm sure Granny and Grandpa will write back straight away.
Ooh. Peppa, George, you have post. It looks like it's from your pen pals, Granny and Grandpa Pig.
Yay! Hooray! Read it, Mummy, read it.
Dear Peppa and George, thank you for your lovely letters. We miss you very much too, but it won't be too long until we are together again. Be sure to remind Mummy to water the plants. Lots of love, Granny and Grandpa.
The post is here. Oh, there is no post today. Oh, surprise! Granny, Grandpa, I thought I would just get a letter from you, but it's actually you.
I told you we would see each other again soon, Peppa.
We loved getting all your lovely letters. It made the time go so much quicker.
Can you see me?
Yes, Peppa. You look brilliant.
I'm going to go and get dressed. The audience will be here soon.
This is all very exciting. Yes, the stage looks wonderful. Everybody put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Peppa and George. Ready, Peppa?
Ready!
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what happened to the lights?
I think there must have been a power cut.
How are we going to play if we can't see?
Don't worry, Peppa and George. It was a dark walk over here, so we all brought torches.
Wow! This feels just like a real concert now. Ready, everybody? 1, 2, 3. We did it! And I didn't even make one mistake.
That was excellent, Peppa and George. Now we have to take a bow.
Slide! Come on, George. I'll race you to the top. Don't worry, George. We can go down the slide together. Ready, George? Slide! Oops, sorry. It's okay. It's only a little mud. Look at all those muddy puddles. Puddles! Watch me. Peppa loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles. You try, George. Whee! George loves jumping in muddy puddles too. Wow, that's the biggest puddle I've ever seen.
Me first. Oh dear, I seem to be stuck.
Don't worry, Daddy. We can get you out. Pull! Pull!
Almost there.
Oh dear, now we're all stuck in the muddy puddle. This must be the muddiest day ever.
Not too fast, Peppa and George. The sea isn't going anywhere. Peppa and George love to splash in the sea, almost as much as they love splashing in muddy puddles.
Oh, that looks like fun. Come on, Grandpa.
Everyone loves the sea. Grandpa Pig doesn't seem to be going into the sea.
Aren't you coming in, Grandpa?
Not now, Peppa. I went for my swim this morning. Big wave coming through. Hey, Grandad Dog, can't you see I don't have my suit on? Grandpa Pig, who comes to the beach without their swimsuit? Well, I might as well come in now. Hooray! 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 Mummy and Daddy Pig have returned. Now, Peppa, what was your favourite part of the day?
Well, my favourite part was very funny.
Go on, Peppa. They will like that story. Grandad Dog soaked Grandpa with a big wave while we were on the beach. Grandpa, wet! Yes, George, but Grandpa wasn't wearing a swimsuit. Oh, that does sound funny. I certainly did not see that giant wave coming. You're welcome. Any sign of Teddy, George? No. Someone is at the door. Ooh, I wonder who it is. Maybe it's Teddy. It's Susie Sheep and Mummy Sheep. Oh, hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. I like your hats. We are being detectives. Do you want to play? Ooh, yes, please. What mystery are we trying to solve, Peppa? We are trying to find Teddy. She has gone missing, but we are following her teddy prints. Where could she be? Could she be in here? She's not in here either. Maybe Teddy is hiding in the bathroom. Oh, I give up. Teddy is lost forever. Peppa, George, Susie, come quick. Mummy Pig has found more teddy prints. Ooh, these prints are leading outside, Peppa. Look! They are heading toward our little red car. There you are, Teddy. What are you doing in here? That was silly of you to stay in the car, Teddy. The case of the missing Teddy is officially solved. Hooray! 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 Well spotted, George. That's a shooting star. Make a wish.
Some of the stars make shapes, like those ones. They look like, well, they look like me.
You're right, Peppa. A group of stars that make a shape is called a constellation. Who would like to see the constellations in the sky more clearly?
Yes!
So you set it up as so and peek through this part at the sky. Ah! Oh my!
What is it?
Silly Daddy, it's only a tiny little spider. Mummy, what do you think George wished for earlier when the shooting star passed by? What was that? I think I know what George wished for now. Die. Oh no! He doesn't like the rain.
It looks like you're right, Peppa.
Yeah!
Oh my! It was lucky I was wearing my raincoat, wasn't it? Ho! I have an idea. Come on, Peppa. I need your help getting things from the car.
What are we doing, Daddy?
Well, Peppa.
Oh, that's a great idea, Daddy.
Oh dear, I think the rain is getting heavier. The animals won't be happy.
Don't worry, little animals. You will all be dry in no time.
Oh, that's better, I think.
Oh, yes. What do you think, Mr. Guinea Pig? And how about you, little chicks? It looks like all that jumping in puddles made George and the chickens very sleepy.
So who enjoyed the petting farm then?
I did.
Even though it was a bit wet?
Oh, yes.
Oh, George, would you like to serve our next customer?
Yay!
Can I have strawberry, please, George?
Yeah.
And now you can give the cone to the customer, George. Ice cream, ice cream.
Oh, Pedro, I'm sorry. George loves ice cream too much to be an ice cream seller.
Hey, I have an idea, Pedro.
Oh, my goodness. What an excellent idea, Peppa. This will test all of our ice cream making skills.
Pedro, hold on one moment, please. Okay, Peppa. 1,
2,
3,
4.
5. Wow, that's the biggest ice cream I've ever seen.
It's going to get as tall as the Ferris wheel. 17,
18,
19.
20. Phew. I can't believe it. A 20 scoop ice cream.
I don't think I'm ever going to be able to finish this.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Don't worry, Pedro. I know somebody who would be very happy to help.
Whoa!
Yippee!
Amazing work, everyone. Thank you.
But Grandpa, there's still that big pile of mud. We still have time to clean it up, don't we, Mr. Pig?
Ho ho, we should do, as long as the animals don't come back just yet. Oh no, the guinea pig will get too muddy for petting at this rate.
Wait, Mr. Guinea Pig, please slow down.
Peppa, George, Rebecca, are you okay?
Yes, we're okay. That cheeky little guinea pig is so cute.
He sure is. Oh my!
Silly Mummy, it's only chickens.
I suppose they are cute, aren't they, Peppa?
Peppa party, Peppa, Peppa party. Peppa, Peppa party with my friends and me. Come and join the party, Peppa, Peppa party. Peppa, Peppa party with my friends and me.
Great job, everyone. Wouldn't it be nice to make Madame Gazelle a mask too?
Oh, yes, Mummy. But what sort of mask would Madame Gazelle like?
I have an idea. I think I know what kind of mask Madame Gazelle would like. Because it's Mummy Pig's favourite kind. Ho ho ho. I'm so sorry I'm late, everyone. My goodness, you've all made your masks and they're lovely. I'm so proud of you all.
Thank you, Madame Gazelle. We remembered everything you taught us.
Besides, I, Madame Gazelle, have been here the whole time. Ha ha ha.
Madame Gazelle, we thought about what sort of mask you might like. That's right. Could you please close your eyes?
My goodness. Yes, okay, Susie. Ooh, heaven.
You can relax, Madame Gazelle. You have been rushing around all morning. Besides, we have you here all the time now.
Hooray!
Yay!
They're not here either. They must be very good at hiding. That was definitely Peppa and George. They must be in the upstairs bedroom. Where could they be?
Boo!
No! Oh, there you are.
We fooled you.
You certainly did. We thought we were never going to find you. Clearing the mud off the motorhome was a lot more work than we thought. Yes, all that work has made me hungry.
I know. Maybe George and I could make you a snack before we go on a mountain adventure.
That's a wonderful idea. Thank you. Okay, first we need to stir the cookie mixture.
I can do that.
Perfect. Now we need to make one cookie for each of us. How many is that, George?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. One for you, one for Peppa, one for me, and one for Daddy Pig. Yum! They look delicious.
Can we eat them now, please?
Not yet, Peppa. First, we have to bake them.
Yummy! They smell scrumptious.
Why don't you take them to Daddy Pig? I'm sure he's hungry after cleaning all the mud off the motorhome.
Look, Daddy, we made cookies, one for each of us.
Oh, just what I needed.
Puddle!
No, George! Oh dear, now I'm all messy.
You look like a giant cookie, Daddy.
Once upon a time, there was a very magical pool. The magical pool was watched over by a princess pig who would sing to the water to keep its magic glowing.
La 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 la. Mummy, could the princess pig be giant?
Yes, Peppa, of course, why not? The giant princess pig kept singing her magical songs to the water.
Bigger than the sun.
But then something happened. The water disappeared.
Oh no, that's not a nice story.
Don't worry, Peppa, it's not finished yet. The princess tried to bring the water back with her singing, but her magic powers didn't work in this way. The princess had to find water from somewhere.
But where will she find water from, Mummy?
I don't know, Peppa. There's lots of water here. If only we could give the princess some.
But how could we do that, Mummy?
It would be difficult. But if someone could make a big splash, that might be enough to reach the princess.
Oh, I can do it. I can make a big splash.
Are you sure, Peppa?
Yes, I'll make the biggest splash ever and help the princess. Ooh, it's very high.
You can do it, Peppa. Yay, Peppa.
3, 2, 1. Splash!
It worked.
Are we all ready? Yes! Yes! Okay then, everybody in. Off we go! Stop! What is it, Peppa? Daddy, we forgot our bikes. Oh dear, we can't leave without those. Let's try that again, shall we? Phew! Surely we have everything now. Hooray! Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Peppa and George have arrived at their campsite. Wow! I love the forest. Why don't you and George ride your bikes for a bit while Daddy Pig and I set up camp? Yay! Come on, George. Hooray! I like our campsite, Daddy Pig. Me too. Now, who is hungry? Me! Me! It is already time for dinner. Mummy, do you know any campfire songs? I know this song. Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bungly boo. Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bungly boo. Campfire dinner is served. Hooray!
Detective Peppa and Detective George search the kitchen for the lost keys.
Were the keys under the table, George? No, maybe they're in the fruit bowl. Oops!
Oh dear, I can't see the keys anywhere.
Maybe we could pretend it's the morning again and see where you went.
That's a great idea, Peppa. Now let me think. First, I sat at the table and ate my breakfast. After that, I went over to the sink and did the washing up.
Maybe Mummy found them in the luggage. We should go and check.
Did you find anything?
No, I'm afraid not. Did you?
No, not yet. But I think we're getting close with Detective Peppa and Detective George's help.
We checked every room in the house, but we couldn't find Daddy's keys anywhere.
Suddenly, Detective Peppa notices something shiny poking out of one of Daddy Pig's pockets.
Daddy, what's that in your pocket?
My keys! They were in my pocket the whole time. Well done, detectives! We would never have found them without your help.
Hooray! Does this mean we can go on our summer holiday adventure for real this time?
Absolutely! Let's go! Ooh, art! That's one of my favourite subjects. Let's see who can paint the best picture of themselves. What colours shall we choose, I wonder?
Can I have a pink, please? But Susie, I need to use the pink as well. Maybe we can share. Okay.
Wow! These are all so wonderful, children. And who's this, George?
Dinosaur! Roar! Can we put them on the wall so everyone can see them?
Of course we can. What a wonderful idea, Peppa. Okay, last one. Let's theme this activity around music. How about we play musical statues? I'll play the music on my guitar and you all dance along. When the music stops, you all need to stop dancing and stand still.
This is going to be fun.
Time for school, climb the hill, all my friends and me. Time for...
Silly George, you were supposed to stop dancing when the music stopped.